Hi, I'm Phil from Currys, and I'm here today to talk to you about some of the things that you can do to make sure that we install your electric cooker right first time. It's easier for us to install your appliance when your property is easily accessible. If you've ordered a large appliance, we may be bringing a large van. However, if a normal bin lorry can't access your home, please let us know ahead of time, as we may need to bring a smaller van. If you've purchased a large cooker that's more than 60 centimetres wide, normally called a range cooker, it's important that the item fits through your doorways. Therefore, a side access or double doors may come in handy if your front door isn't big enough. On the day of installation, please ensure somebody aged 18 or over is at home and check that there is a clear path to the installation area. For all cooker types, please ensure there's a suitable clearance above and around where the appliance is going to be installed. The clearance area shouldn't contain any flammable materials such as wallpaper, fabric, wood or shelves. Also, there shouldn't be any plugs, sockets, alarm sensors or boilers in the hot zone area, otherwise we won't be able to install the appliance. A plug socket must be available and be within 1.5 metres to where the appliance is going to be installed. If your current appliance is not hardwired into an electrical socket and the new one will be, we can still install it for you, but it may take extra time. If you're replacing your gas cooker with an electric one, please let us know prior to delivery. That way we can send out a gas-safe engineer to safely disconnect your old appliance, as our electrical engineers are not trained to do this. If you've asked us to recycle your old appliance, we'll do this for you when we install the new one. Just remember to take out your old pots, pans and trays that you wish to keep.